Now I'm going to show you how to make the peanut butter meringue pie. This pie has 4 layers. It's a pudding layer and a peanut butter layer, all in a graham cracker crust with a meringue topping. Let's get our ingredients together so we make sure that we have everything we need. For the peanut butter filling layer, we're going to need 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. For the pudding layer, we'll be using 2½ cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/2 cup of sugar. For the graham cracker crust, we'll be using 1½ cups of ground graham crackers, or 1 package of graham crackers like this, 1/3 cup of melted margarine or butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. And for the meringue topping, we'll be using 1/3 cup of sugar and 3 egg whites.